Alright, just making a quick video on how to remove or replace your USB port that's in the center console. As you can see, my port is broken. Online I found this part number. It's a new USB port. Took me forever. I think I spent like 2 hours trying to figure out how this is done. Well, it's quite easy. What you need is what is it, like a T20 socket or something? Yeah, T20. You need a pry tool. You open your center console. You pry open from the top. Use a little force. Put this in there, jank it up. Do that on both sides. It will click loose. There are two sockets holding them back, one on this side, one on that side. Once you have done that, let me just get this out. You will be able to pull this off. As you can see on the top, there are two that you click open with the pry tool, and then when you pull down from the top, it will remove these other four. What I was doing wrong yesterday, I tried to start from here by unscrewing the bolts that are in here, but I recommend not removing them. Mine are still there, and it's way easier. It took me like 2 minutes today, maybe even less, just to access this. So once again, pry from the top, pull back, you're accessing it. Once you remove this panel, this one will be stuck. I unscrewed it already, but this back part has two screws, one there, and then two more down here. You unscrew that. Now you have access to your USB port. So this part I haven't done yet, so we'll figure it out. The cigarette lighter needs to be unplugged. So I assume it's unplug the USB port. Then it's somehow remove this. I have no idea. Ah, wait, it's a lip. Yep, you just click it out. It's easy. Not when you're holding a camera, so. Alright, give me a sec. I'm gonna remove this. I need two hands.